Fractal Bitcoin. Welcome. I'm Chris. This is your daily Bitcoin news video. But today, before we get to the news and the quick price update, I want to talk to newcomers or people who are very new to Bitcoin or people who still are not even into Bitcoin, because I'm at a conference. By the way, this is Fractal Bitcoin Orlando edition. And I'm at PodFest, right, with all kinds of podcasters and the whole podcast industry. It's great. And I've been talking to some people about Bitcoin, and still most people don't know anything about it. But worse than that, most people, like, they get this look on their face like, why are you talking about Bitcoin? That's for scammers and drug dealers, and like, people still have so much brainwashing in their head about Bitcoin. So if that's you, if you're new to Bitcoin and all you've heard is bad things, I just want to talk about a couple things. Because learning about Bitcoin is very important, okay? You can't trust what the media says, especially the corporate media and all that. You can't trust what they say about Bitcoin. You have to learn about Bitcoin. You have to learn what it is, how it works, the role that it plays, and the promise it has for our future, right? And then you also have to learn a little bit about fiat currencies and how fiat currencies are just a house of cards, and that fiat currencies are what governments use to suck all the value out of your money over the years. That's what fiat currencies do. That's what they've always done. Bitcoin's different. Bitcoin solves that. Bitcoin is going to be a very important part of our culture and society on Earth. So you really should learn about it, but learn about it properly. Don't just listen to other people. I know in, modern day life, we just want we want to trust someone to tell us the truth, and then we just accept it as truth and we live on. But with Bitcoin, you can't do that because the media is controlled by the government and the globalists, and they're not letting the truth about Bitcoin out. They don't want you to know that Bitcoin is the best store of value ever created by man, and that it solves all the problems of fiat currency, and it can be a hedge against everything, and it can fortify your family for generations going forward. The mainstream and the corporate media, they don't want you to know that. Anyway, so that's my message to you. If you're new and you're unsure about Bitcoin, don't start out believing it's a scam and then try to figure out how it's not a scam. Just learn about it. Simply, just learn. And you'll understand. Yeah, and learn before it's too late. Because Bitcoin, started out at like a penny or less than a penny per Bitcoin. Today, we're up near $42,000 per Bitcoin. And it's going to go to $1 million, $2 million, $3 million, $5 million a Bitcoin eventually in the future. So you don't want to miss out. And this is not financial advice, but again, my advice is to learn. That's all my advice is. So, all right, well then let's get to the quick Bitcoin news update. And let me switch the screen here. And this is our update for today. You can see the price is just above $42,000. And that's good. Like I said, the last few days, we've been hovering between 39,500 and 42,000. There's a level there that's resistance and support from history. It's pretty solid. And now we kind of went down below it, and now we're just back above it. So that's good. And one of the reasons this is, I won't say amazing news, but Bitcoin is over 41,000 after Grayscale sold $4 billion worth of Bitcoin. So Grayscale, because of their ETF, because they have such a high fee rate on their ETF, people are selling their Grayscale ETF and going into other ETFs. But so all that selling, and the price is still at this level. So Bitcoin is very strong now. And again, don't forget, for the next 18 months, we're going to be in a bull run. So it's only up from here, although there will be volatility. So, it's not going to go straight up. So, and the other thing, a little piece of news, Geyser. Geyser is a crowdfunding platform, and it's like these other crowdfunding platforms, but Geyser uses the Lightning Network and Bitcoin, so you can support projects with Bitcoin and Satoshis. And now they just rolled out some new feature. They got rewards levels with limited editions and a bunch of new things on Geyser. And I actually have a Geyser page for this show, but I'm still at the beginning. You can see no one has given any money, any Satoshis. But again, I'm still at the beginning of this show, and I'm not looking to monetize it, immediately. So I'll take my time. And here's our website, fractalbitcoin.com. Everything you need is there. And also, I forgot, on the top here, you see the banner? It says join our locals community. So if you click on that, you'll come over to our locals community. This is where we hang out and discuss things, different news items, different strategies, answer questions, all that kind of stuff. So check out our locals. Come join us and say hi in the locals. And that's it for today. So thanks for watching. I'll be back Monday. I'll be back in the main studio. And I guess that's it. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you can share this show with some people who maybe don't know about Bitcoin, but they just sort of want to get some daily news so they can start learning slowly about Bitcoin, maybe they can watch my daily videos. They're short and they're informative and they're trustworthy, right? That's a big word I want people to understand about this channel is I'm not here just selling you garbage or selling you lies or propaganda. I'm just here speaking basic truth and helping you to understand and learn and navigate the Bitcoin space because you need to do it on your own. I can help, meaning I can share what I can share, but ultimately all your decisions come down to you. So, all right, we'll see you on Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye.